We're recording now. We're recording. We got our GPS on. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
This has turned out to be a very difficult track, even though it looks like nice. Oh shit, my glasses are on. No! Oh! Into the curb. That was a hard one too. It's good. We're solid. A little damage in the back corner, but you know. A little first damage, you know. It's bound to happen. Let's take that one. Oh, I cracked my body. Look at that.
Oh no.
Hit. Tape. Oh, knew that was going to happen. That was close. Oh shit. That one was 3.5. We're getting down there. 40 miles an hour still. Here, I'll send that to you. All right, here we go. Oh, I think you got me on that one.
I think we both keep thinking the line. Stop, right?
Yeah, really, we're supposed to stop like right here.
Yeah.
I think the cars are like the same speed top end now.
Yeah.
So that was 3.6, 40 still. All right.
Pointed a little to the right now.
Fuck. My motor's barely even warm.
What?
Surprised.
I'm always scared to do that. The one time I tried that, and it burnt the shit out of my finger.
That fucking smashed that fucker in there. Dumbass.
And luckily I have a bumper that took most of it.
You hit it in the front or the back?
Front, I fucking full on.
I don't even know how this hit with a wheelie bar sticking out there. You know what I mean? I don't know.
End over end.
Yeah.
Oh, that fucking light got me.
Yes.
Sleeping now.
No! Oh shit! Why does it always go towards the curb?
Nice name, bro. Holy shit.
Ah. It's like you can go the other way. There's more room on the other side.
You want to change lane?
We could try. Let's try it. Might as well. I don't think there's any difference, but.
At least you're off the curb now. Now I'm gonna hit it.
Now I'll hit the fence. Watch, it'll rip my car in half. Alright. New lane.
Oh shit. I need to get that.
Oh, the little remote. I thought it came with it. No.
Yeah. The remote's about the same price as the light.
Oh shit, now I don't know where the hell I'm going. You won.
Notice we're both getting a little more ballsies with their burnout too.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Holy shit.
Oh shit. Well, maybe
How
I'm.
many spins was that?
I don't know. I'm going back to the other lane, I think. I don't like this lane. I'm used to that one. I'm used to the curb over here. Let's see if I can do better over here. The small tire ain't hooking up out here, you know?
Traction control off. Oh, jump the light.
Yeah.
Oh, I did okay with no traction control.
You got it down the track. Right behind me. What happens when you hit the brake? Hit the brake for a second? It doesn't go in reverse right away. I guess there's probably a pause or something. That's good.
Not even gonna heat up a Traxxas.
You're just gonna go for it? I think I'm getting better because my battery's getting lower. The lower the battery gets, the straighter I'll go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Woo! Don't spin it out.
It's easier just to spin it out than try to stop it. My car doesn't go straight. It's fucking this servo. I need to get another servo. I bought another servo for it, but it didn't have the right end on it, so I didn't put it in.